Luscombe Suzuki Leeds are pleased to offer for sale AE66 OUS. It's a Ford Mondeo 1.5 TDCi ECOnetic in titanium, finished in premium grey metallic. Alloy wheels, which are 16-inch. Rear tinted windows. Looking inside the car, the seats are finished in leather. The seats are electric and are heated. The infotainment system has got sat-nav, DAB radio, Bluetooth audio streaming. It's got lane departure warning, voice recognition, speed limiter, cruise control. Looking in the back, ample seating for 3 adults. Being an estate car, it's got 500 litres of boot space. The car has got full dealer service history, and all Luscombe Suzuki Leeds cars come fully serviced with a 12-month MOT. The car's done 35,256 miles and is a fantastic looking example of a Ford Mondeo. It's in immaculate condition. So thank you for watching.